Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a cool car here for you today. This is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a hardtop. This is a really nice, honest old car. 283 engine, power steering, power brakes, factory style. Finished in teal with a white top. This is an older restoration, probably done in the 90s. We think the paint job is probably a lacquer paint, and it does show a little bit of character here and there. But overall, it's a really solid machine. So I'm gonna hop in, fire it up, show you all around it, and see what you think. .283 engine with a 2-barrel, always fires up right away. Nice sound to it. Wipers work really well. Got your heat controls down here. That's working nicely. Radio. So that is your kill switch for the radio there. Does work. Nice glove box. Rear speaker control. I don't think that's hooked up anymore, but it is there. That's kind of cool to see in the dash. And this is upgraded with a 3-speed automatic. As you can see on your indicator there, it has also been changed to match the transmission, which is pretty cool to see. 1960 Chevrolet, or 1959 Chevrolet steering wheel, which is pretty cool. It's matched, painted to match that exterior teal and white two-tone. Horns hooked up. Does have a Colorado reassignment VIN number, which is no big deal. So check out the engine bay, really clean and well kept. It's got a brand new heavy duty aluminum radiator, name brand. There is your generator power steering setup and the truffle vac for the power brakes. And excuse me, that looks like a 283 with a 4-barrel, which is cool to see. Runs really nice and solid. You can see your transmission kick down for the 3-speed is hooked up right there. You got a heat riser choke that's hooked up. Heater core is hooked up. Just listen to that engine purr. Sounds like a sewing machine. Now keep in mind, this is a really nice driver quality car. You know, it's an older restoration, like I said, but you know, the doors open and close nicely. It runs and drives and starts excellent. The wipers, the horn, the lights all work like you'd expect. It's a great color combo. It's got brand new Hankook tires on it with a white wall stripe. This thing's tuned up, running awesome, ready for its next owner. But you know, when you really zoom in here on the paint, you know, you can see a few little rock chips right there. Same thing here with the hood. Rock chip right there. You You know, all the bright work is decent, but you can see a little bit of pitting here and there on different stuff. But very showable car. It's got dual exhaust. You know, when you look down the side of it, it does have a little waviness to it, but it's not terrible. Lovely exhaust note. This door here, it's a little tight at the top. It's not terrible. As you move down here, you can see a little bit of damage to the paint right there. You can see all this in here. But overall, this is a really nice driver quality 57 Chevy Bel Air. It's about to hit our showroom, so make sure to go to our website. We'll have about 80 high-resolution pictures of it, including pictures of the undercarriage, so you can see how clean and neat it is under there. And yeah, if you have any more questions, give us a call or go to carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.